Guess what time it is? That's right, it's a Paper Insider time. I just received this box and I have waited for you to open it with me. So let's see. What does box number 9 have inside? Check it out. Well, let me move this here. For those of you that may not know, this might be your first time with me opening a Paper Insider box. Your Paper Insider is a quarterly subscription box, which is a treat to yourself. The reason I call it a treat to yourself is because, first of all, it doesn't break the bank. It's only $29.95 a quarter. So what does that come down to? 10 bucks a month? And it's a surprise. So we never know what's inside. And it's unique and unusual specialty papers. They always coordinate. And some of them, not all of them, but some of them are from unusual places around the world. So if you're a paper junkie like me and like unusual... Yes, I get distracted. I'm sorry. This is like the mousse paper that I used last month on my mousse for the last time. Did y'all see that mousse card? I don't know if y'all saw it. I'll have to show it to you. I think I actually have it here on my desk somewhere. I'm sorry. Squirrel. Okay. Anyways, this is, some papers are from different places around the world. And I'm a little distracted right now because I'm looking for the mousse card. Anyways, so box 9, there's a little cheat sheet here, and it tells us all about the different color papers in the box. Now, in box 8, they had a fluffy, it's kind of almost a velour paper that was kind of a grayish brown. And I told y'all I wanted to make a koala bear out of it. Well, nothing koala bear came out. So I opted to make a mousse, and check it out. Check out my mousse. Look at my mousse. He's fuzzy. He's got fuzzy clothes. He dances. And he even has skin. This paper right here, I don't know if you can get a good look at it, but it has like skin detail. That was one of the specialty papers. Actually, all these papers were from that box. The glitter card, the purple card, this glitter card, all of it was from that Paper Insider box number 8. So this was just, as soon as I saw that, I knew it had to be fur. So Mr. Moose, Dancing Moose here, he's actually a Spellbinders die, if you want to check out the links below. But he just had to have the skin and the fur and everything. So anyways, that's just a side note. I was not expecting this to be in the box for you to even think about showing that to you. But this is this month's box, this quarter's box. And let's jump in and see what it says. This says avocado velveteen felt paper. Interesting. 8.5 by 5.5, so it's a half sheet. And it's the same velvet type paper as Mr. Moose had. So I am totally keeping that somewhere special. This next piece is a powder blue shimmer vellum. Their shimmer vellum is to die for, and you can totally see the shimmer in this. It is gorgeous. Here is a bright green glitter card. The glitter cards are really nice too, with a white back for easy gluing. I really like their glitter card. Let's just start sliding this over. This here is something interesting under there. This here is a green cardstock, but that is a mid-range. It's a 78-pound cover. Gorgeous green. It's almost like an emerald almost. Check this out. Wow. That's pretty cool. It almost looks like charcoal or something. It is called Black Crumple Paper. And let me see if it talks about it. Is it one of the, yeah, it's one of the specialty cards. It's right here. It says this paper features an embossed crumpled texture, yet soft and durable. They are ideal for book bindings, box makings, and popular among college artists for the unique surface. Huh, I would not have thought that that was sturdy. That is very cool. Very interesting. Okay. Ooh, this next one. That is a shimmer, it looks like. Let's see. Star Dream Silver Cardstock, 105 pound. Really nice. I like that one. I could glimmer on that one. Wouldn't that be pretty? Maybe in some turquoise or some pink. Hot pink, maybe? Ooh, that's a glimmer. That's a glimmer one. Okay. This one, very smooth. Very, very smooth. Let's see. This is definitely a glimmer card. Ultra white smooth cardstock. That's right. 100-pound cover. I knew that as soon as I touched it. Oh, speak my language here. Look at that. Look at those streaks through there. Silver holographic grooves. Wow. That like some zooming street or something. Oh my goodness. I hope you can see that well. Is that not cool? I love these boxes. Look at this. This is fun. It's all red on the back. Let's see. This is one of the special ones. Look at, I can't even pronounce this. Look at this. Ichimatsu Red. Pearlized paper. 70 GSM. Pearlized papers are thin, lightweight, and opaque. They work beautifully for stationery and gift wrap. This design showcases a pearlized checkered pattern printed on a red base. Paper is direct from Japan and sheet sizing may vary slightly. So this is a printed Japanese paper. Very neat. I cannot wait to use this like for clothing, like little, I can totally see this for the little characters' clothing or a flag. Oh my gosh. I will use this sparingly, you know, like in little die cuts probably. I like using specialty card for that. Ooh, this is a glossy, red glossy Cadillac cover. Very cool. See that? Very cool. Here again, glimmer. Totally glimmer. Think Christmas too. Santa? Got my mind going. Look at this one. This is really super thin. And it's got specks in it of silver. Like, let me see, is this, oh yeah, this is on the front too. Silver fleck tissue paper. Lightweight and durable. This synthetic tissue paper is ideal for many decorative needs. Layer it to enhance the sparkle of each silver flake. So let's see. Oh, like that. Look at the silver flecks now. Cool. That is very neat. It kind of looks like snow. When you put something behind it, it looks like snow shimmering in the weight. The wind behind it. Very neat. Perfect for the winter time. Okay, and here is a coordinating red cardstock. That one is nice and heavy. Yep, 100-pound vermilion red. Here is a red metallic cardstock. Wonderful. Metallic foil. Orange glitter. Where was that when I needed it for my pumpkins? Mandarin orange. See, I love these because they always coordinate. See this? So for a card, I'll be able to come to the box and I'll be able to make something with these two together. I'll be able to come to the box and all of these will coordinate. See that? I love that. The greens, so we have greens in here. We have neutrals always, but with greens, we've got reds. Now we have oranges and they always have coordinating colors. So now we have this one. This one is golden. No, this is Curious Metallic Lime. Oh, it is metallic. And then there is the Golden Olive. So this one here is metallic. And then you have a cardstock that coordinates that's olive. Be still, my beating heart. This fall paper is stunning. Oh my gosh, look how it would go with these. And then you could put it with this is where they're going, but my mind is just caught up. For fall, guys, I'm getting out of order here, but oh my goodness. Look. All the fall gorgeousness. Okay, let me catch up. This one is gold metallic foil. This one is copper glitter cardstock. This one was bronze, the one I got distracted on. The bronze is my favorite. You just don't have mahogany like bronze color like that. That is fab. Oh my gosh. And orange? When have we seen orange glitter? Those are fab, guys. Those are fab. Oh, here's another like skin one. Check it out. That's like a skin texture, like a... Man, we could have used that for our alligators. You could have inked it a little bit. That could have been the alligator skin. That would have been so cool for the club kits for Spellbinders. Man, I am just... That is called Gilded Mist Gummed Leather Coin. I know I'm murdering that. There's more, guys. There's more. Okay, I'm messing this up, but that's because I'm excited. I'm sorry. I love these so much. Thank you, your Paper Insider, for sending me this box. They almost missed sending it to me, and I told them I just, why don't you send me January's? And they were like, no, let us send it to you. And they sent it to me anyways. So, thank you. Carnival Deep Blue cardstock. Nice weight. This is another So Silk Glamour. This is not green, guys. They're saying this is green. This is not green. They're messed up there. This is definitely not a green. This is a teal. But it is gorgeous. It is definitely turquoise. Let me look at it. And then, oh, we're getting to snowy colors. This one is called, is this on the other side for the specialties? No. Okay, this one has a funky name too. Favini Burano Light Blue. Guys, it's got a funny name, but it's just light blue cardstock. But it's a pretty light blue. I wouldn't mind having that in my stash. It is a pretty color. Look at this. Where is more of you in my life? Oh my gosh. Look. And you could totally not just use this for Christmas. Think of 4th of July. Oh my gosh. Sorry. I probably hadn't even brushed my hair. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. What is this called? Silver Holographic Blast. Oh, okay. I'm mesmerized at the moment. Now they're gonna. Oh, I'm out of it. Okay. Now they're gonna give me just clear paper after that. This is Gmund Transparent 50-pound Limba. I'm not sure what that means, but it is transparent. You can see through it. That is kind of cool. It's a very, very, very thick vellum. I mean, it is really thick. That's interesting. Huh. I wonder, like, if you put a pattern behind it. See? Cool. So that's that one. And then this one isn't on... Oh, here. Paper Insider. Thank you for subscribing to your Paper Insider. This month we've partnered with Kim Mars to include a printable of her exclusive stamp artwork. The darling artwork is printed on ultra smooth cardstock, color, cut, and create using projects with these cute critters. Look under your account for a digital download. Isn't that cute? How cute. Super fun. Now, I have a link for your Paper Insider down below in my or in my description box if you're interested. They also have some other items if you're not interested in a subscription. They have like a mixture box that includes like these specialty cards, just like a bunch of just those single cards. They also have some packs of some varieties of, like, you can get like 10 sheets of this or 10 sheets of that. There's not much. There's limited quantities. So you just have to kind of check back. So you can check into that and see. They also have previous boxes available. So if this is your first time seeing one of my videos, check back in my other videos and see what the other boxes look like. And you might see one there that you like, that you want to pick up from their past boxes. But for today, this is box number 9. And like I said, it's $29.95 a quarter. And it's free shipping, always. So $29.95, treat yourself. It's once every 3 months. So I hope you've enjoyed this little sneaky peek. And you will see these popping up in my projects. So just watch for me saying Your Paper Insider, and you will see these come to life. Thank you so much for being here today. And as always, craft life together. Bye-bye, guys.